I'm Shua, and you are listening to Light Up with Shua, a weekly podcast to open our hearts and minds on a journey with me. Hello everyone. This episode is about 7 common greetings that I will briefly explain, and I'm hoping that you will enjoy and get inspired to look up more details on these greetings and their origin, as I have enjoyed. So here I go. So hello, which I just greeted you with, is, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, hello, despite its popularity, has only been in use for about the last 150 years in 1,000-year history of English. So it's pretty recent in my view. Hello is generally easily learned and is commonly used. And it used to be a greeting or salutation in the Middle Ages as used as hail. And in Shakespeare's time, he used to use both as greeting, as hail to your grace, or an acclamation as hail Caesar. So it also meant in those days, originally, I would say, health. It meant health, such as hail or whole. So, but nowadays we just say hello. We don't say health to you. Anyways, next greeting is Hola. I'm sure you are familiar with that, or at least some of you. The word hola, which is used by all or majority of the Spanish-speaking people to greet each other, and it's very common. But you won't believe the origin of it is the Arabic word Allah. So I didn't know that too. So Arabic word Allah means God in English with the capital G. This has evolved into peace be with you as well. The meaning comes out similar to what is Salaam and Shalom. So I found a journal article in which it gives more details about it. So I will leave the link on my website so you can further check it out. Let's go to the third greeting, which is Shalom, a Jewish greeting used as salutation by Jews at a meeting or at parting. So, and it means peace, and it's a Hebrew word, and it also comes from the root word Salaam, S-L-M, and it means peace, harmony, wholeness, completeness, prosperity, and tranquility. And I'm sure if you talk or speak to a Jewish person, they can, give you more explanation and the depth of it. But I'm briefly explaining all these greetings. Hope this is enough for me to inspire you to look further into these. Now let's come to number 4 greeting, which is Salaam, which is also an Arabic word. Muslims generally greet with Assalamu alaikum or Salam, and it means peace be with you. This also comes from a root word Salama, and which also does not only mean peace, but peace through action and practice. And it also has more details like Salim, Salama. So Muslim and Islam comes from this root word. Okay, that was Salam. Now let's move to the Sikh greeting. The Sikh greeting, as we say here, Sat-Sri-Akaal, which means Sat means truth, Shri means an honorific word, and Akal means the timeless being, which is God. So it can roughly be translated as true is the name of God, And according to the Sikh code of conduct, some greet it as, I will say it in Urdu, or you can say Punjabi, or Sikhs would say like this: जो बोले सो निहाल, Wahi Guru Ji ka Khalsa, Wahi Guru Ji ki Fateh. Let me say it again. Jo bole so nihal, Wahi Guru Ji ki Khalsa, Wahi Guru Ji ki Fateh. Meaning the Khalsa belongs to the Lord God. So the victory belongs to God. So Khalsa means the pure. And in Urdu also, language spoken in subcontinent and some other parts of the world, we say Khalis. This is Khalsa and that is Khalis, like brother and sister. Khalsa, Khalis. So this also means pure. So that was Sat-Sri-Akaal, the Sikh greeting. Now let's come to number 6, which is Namaste or Namaskar. You must have heard about it or heard people saying it. It is spoken or said in the Indian subcontinent. It is, what I learned was Namaskar is more formal and Namaste is more commonly used, casually used. And when a person greets another with Namaskar, the greeting is accompanied by a slight bow made with hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointed to upwards and closely positioned in front of the chest. And I'm sure you know that, like Buddhists do that too. So this is, the hand position is known as mudra also, Namaskar mudra. So it's a gesture, a position. So Namaskar, greeting and hand mudra basically means that I am paying obeisance to the soul in the other, which again is sending positive vibrations to the other, which is also in other greetings, that's the intention, that's the point, sending good intentions to each other. So that was that. Number 7 is the Bonjour. Bonjour is a French word meaning hello or good day. And salut is also a way to say hello or goodbye in French. So this is what I found on this word. And so I would say thank you for listening. These were very short meanings that I found. It was fun doing research, and there's a lot on each word, so I didn't want to, continue on that. And I hope you can, if you are interested, you can go and find out more about it. So basically, the point is to send each other good intentions, good vibrations, and when we begin a relation, a connection in that moment, that's what we are doing. So we are basically mindfully sending the message. So that should be our point of greeting each other. So I wish you all a happy and a mindful week. Remember to subscribe and see you next week. Thank you. Thank you for staying with me through this exciting episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode of Light Up with Shua.